Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to change the theme and customizations in the Opera web browser. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on Opera browser, and then dito lang sa top left corner, and then select mo lang dito yung Opera logo. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings or pwede mong gamitin ang keyboard shortcut na Alt plus P. Okay, so click lang natin yan. And then dito sa settings and then next ay mag-scroll down lang tayo at select lang natin tong appearance. And then next ay makikita mo kaagad dito yung theme kung paano ba natin ito i-change. So dito lang sa right side makikita mo dito yung arrow na to. So click mo lang yan. And then select ka lang dito sa tatlong options. Pwedeng system, then next light, and then ito yung dark. Okay, magiging dark ang portion. Or kung select mo yung light and then light ka agad dito. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-change ang theme in Opera web browser. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.